Welcome back everyone. Today we are learning about nouns, the naming words of the English language. So what is noun? Noun could be the name of anything. It could be a person, it could be a place, it could be a thing or even an idea. Everything we name in English is a noun. For example, teacher, city, book, freedom, these are all nouns. Now, noun can be categorized into various types based on its characteristics and functions. Here are some common types of noun: common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, countable noun, uncountable noun, collective noun, compound noun, and gerund. First, we have common noun. Common nouns are general names for people, places, things, or ideas. They do not start with a capital letter unless they appear in the beginning of a sentence. Examples include boy, school, city, etc. Next, we have proper nouns. Proper nouns refer to specific individuals, places, or things, and they are always capitalized. Abstract nouns refer to concepts, ideas, emotions, or qualities that cannot be perceived through senses, meaning that cannot be seen or touched. Examples include honesty, love, happiness, freedom, wisdom, etc. Then we have countable and uncountable nouns. Countable nouns can be counted as individual units and have both singular and plural forms. For example, apple and its plural form apples. Then book, its plural form books, and so on. While on the other hand, uncountable nouns are substances, concepts, or qualities that are not typically counted as separate units. They usually do not have a plural form. For example, water, we do not have any plural form for water. If we have to, count water, we will say some water, or we will count it in liters. Then we have milk, sugar, rice. So there is no plural form for uncountable nouns. Next, we have collective noun. Collective noun refers to the group of people, animals, or things as a single unit. For example, team, class, army. Compound noun. They are formed by combining two or more words to create a new word with a different meaning. For example, when we combine two words, tooth plus brush, it becomes a new word, that is toothbrush, with a different meaning. Note plus book equals to notebook, and so on. Last, we have gerund. They are verbs that function as nouns and end in ing. They refer to actions or activities. For example, reading is my hobby. Here, reading is not verb, it is used as noun. Here is a little practice session for you. Pause the video and try to find different types of nouns in this sentence. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Practice these sentences daily to master nouns. Remember, practice makes a man perfect.